Hi, Algebra 2 students. Welcome to our second set of notes for this week. In this set of notes, we're going to be talking about section 11.4, which is all about normal distributions. Also, along with this section, I'm going to be assigning to you your statistics project for this unit. So stay tuned or look at that other assignment that is on Schoology to hear the instructions and criteria for that assignment. Okay, so starting with 11.4, our learning intentions for this section are we will be able to analyze standard deviations and we will be able to calculate z-scores. So as we move through this, be aware that these are all for normal distributions. A normal distribution is a symmetrical distribution. So if you look at this graph on our screen, this is what a normal distribution looks like. It is a perfect bell curve. The mean is equal to the median is equal to the mode, and that's just right here in the middle. Okay, so these rules work for normal distributions. So as we look at normal distributions, one thing for you to know is that the empirical rule states that for a normal distribution, 68% of your data falls between one standard deviation from the mean. So 68% of your data, most of your data, is falling very, very close to your mean. 95% of your data falls within 2 standard deviations of the mean. And 99.7% of your data falls within 3 standard deviations of your mean. So that's all written up here in words if that's easier for you to see, but visually that is also what this means down here. So we will use that information to answer some questions about normal distributions here in a second. One other new thing for you, this section, is calculating a z-score. So a z-score tells you how many standard deviations a data value is above or below the mean. If a z-score is positive, that means your data value is above the mean. And if a z-score is negative, that means your data value is below the mean. You use z-scores to standardize your unit of measurement, so that way you can compare multiple data values in multiple distributions. So we will see what that looks like in some practice problems here. I'll actually start a new video just to make your life easier. But this is, in general, what we are learning in section 11.4 using this z-score formula and using these percentages to answer some statistical questions.